Welcome to an ACCUPLACER video feature demonstration, processing companion auto-score materials after administration. ACCUPLACER now allows you to upload and score up to 25 student-bubbled answer sheet document sets at a time for next-generation companion tests. Using this feature allows you on-demand access to student ISRs upon completion of the upload and scoring process. Instead of purchasing printed materials, you will be charged 1 unit for each multiple-choice companion test scored by the system. This new feature is only available for next-generation companion tests. Classic Companion and Companion Right Placer tests are not available and must continue to be scored using AccuScore or other manual scoring processes. ACCUPLACER now allows more than one answer sheet document set to be processed at a time. This new bulk process requires the use of special barcoded answer sheet sets to ensure the right bubbled information is associated with the right student. Download and print these answer sheets from the Print Answer Documents for Bulk Scoring submenu, and always verify the answer sheets have the unique barcode before administering any tests. The first step is to inspect the answer sheet while your students are still available. Make sure the students have bubbled their first and last name, student ID, and date of birth for identification. If your institution requires any background questions to be answered, make sure the student has bubbled them. Site ID on page 2 is required for all companion answer sheets. Make sure the student has bubbled the form ID for all companion tests administered. Check to make sure the answer sheet is free of wrinkles or significant damage. Finally, scan for items missing response bubbles or with multiple bubbles. These will be scored as incorrect. If you do find an empty response or double-marked entry, work with the student while still in the test center to have them clarify their intended response. Now it's time to use your office copier or scanner to scan the images of the answer sheet sets. Capture the images in PDF, JPEG, or TIFF file formats. PDF format allows you to include all page images in a single file and is therefore recommended. Use a minimum scan quality of 300 dots per inch. Be sure to scan 100% of the original, no enlargement or reduction. Make sure to scan in portrait orientation and make sure the image is right side up. Images that are upside down will not be scored correctly. Make sure images are straight on the page. Finally, sort the answer sheets so that each student's 4-page document set is kept together. If you make a mistake, the barcoding on the answer document will ensure the student's information is properly recorded and scored. Now we're ready to upload your answer sheets for scoring. The companion paper upload feature is available only for institution administrators or site managers, so log into ACCUPLACER with one of those account types. Click on the Companion Processing menu to expand it. Then, click on the Answer Document Upload and Status submenu. The Answer Document Upload and Status screen will appear. The Answer Document Upload Status section in the lower portion of the screen provides a variety of information for each upload batch, including a unique ID for each batch uploaded, the status of the batch, total answer documents within the batch, how many documents were unable to score and successfully completed in the batch, the date and time on which the batch upload occurred, and the date and time when the paper IDs within the batch were last modified. Use your computer's file navigation system to locate the image file or files you would like to upload. Then drag the files to the area on the screen. If you select the wrong file, you can use the Remove button to remove it. Once you have verified the correct file for upload, drag it to the area on the screen, verify it, then click the Upload button to complete the upload. you will receive an on-screen message verifying the upload was successful. In the Answer Document Upload Status section, you will now see a new record with a unique ID for your batch. The upload status will be processing documents until ACCUPLACER has processed and attempted to score all documents in the batch. You will also see the date and time populated for the batch upload. A download action is provided if you would like to download the answer sheets that were part of your upload. You can use the yellow refresh button in the Answer Document Upload Status section of the screen to check for progress. Once the batch upload has completed, the Upload Status field will change to Imported. You will also see an indication of the number of answer documents that were unable to be scored, as well as the number that were successfully completed and scored. Click on the Manage Scores submenu. The Manage Scores screen provides a listing of the unique paper ID answer documents that have been uploaded. You can choose the Unable to Score tab to view only those answer documents that need attention, the Completed tab to view results for successfully scored documents, or the All tab to view both types. You can also sort the view in ascending or descending order based on Paper Test ID, Upload ID, Student ID, first name, last name, status, or upload date. You can also use the Download action to download and view one or all of the pages for each answer document, the Edit action to make necessary modifications to allow scoring, or the Delete action to delete the answer document from the system. Click the Edit action to open the Paper Test response screen for editing. The Student Info section contains the identifying information about the student and their test session. In some instances, students forget to bubble the site ID, which is required. Confirm the information in the section is correct and make any necessary revisions based on the student's input. Click the plus sign on the right edge of the Background Details section to expand it. Review the student responses and determine if any information is missing. Here, we find the student has neglected to select a major. Click the plus sign on the right edge of the Test Information section to expand it. You will see information for each of the tests that the student bubbled on the answer sheet. You may see warning bars indicating that some information in the section may impact student scoring. You can click on the green plus buttons next to each test to expand and view student responses. For instances where there are multiple answers bubbled or no answers bubbled, verify the intention of the student while the student is still in the test center and make adjustments as needed. Make sure the student properly bubbled the form code for the test form they were administered. Then, click the Submit button to attempt scoring, or click Cancel to cancel scoring the answer document. When the answer document has been successfully scored, you will receive a pop-up notification. Click OK to complete the process. Click the Completed tab in the Manage Scores screen to verify that your answer document is now successfully scored. Then, click the View ISR Action button to view the student's score report. If desired, use the Print button to print the ISR. When finished viewing, click the Close Window button to close the ISR. Click the Download Action button to download one or more pages of the answer document. Once you select all or the specific page you would like to download, your computer will start the download and generate a zip file if all pages are selected. Navigate to the zip file and open the specific PDF for the page you would like to view. To delete an answer document, click the Delete Action button next to the desired paper test ID record. When prompted, click Yes to complete the deletion or No to keep the answer document. The deleted paper test ID record will no longer appear in the list. The ACCUPLACER Companion Paper Test Edit feature is a powerful tool that allows you to correct obvious mistakes that might prevent ACCUPLACER from correctly scoring an answer sheet. This tool carries with it a great responsibility to help protect the integrity of the companion paper assessment. This tool should only be used along with direct communication with the student to modify obvious correctable issues such as omissions or items where a student may not have erased an initial response sufficiently after changing their response during testing. Modifying items to improve a student's score or placement is strictly against the policies of ACCUPLACER and the College Board and may hurt students placed into courses for which they are not prepared to succeed. Only use the Edit feature to make changes about which you are certain, and always try to verify with the student. Never guess about the intent of the student. When in doubt, don't edit the response. If you need additional assistance with this new Companion automated scoring process, refer to the updated Companion Administrator's Manual in Resources or contact ACCUPLACER Customer Support.